Hi, today I'm from the INFINIX Smart 7 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first let's open the gallery application. Then tap, for example, let's select these two photos to hide them. Tap on the right down corner to more icon and click to hide. Just after that you'll see these photos in X hide album. So okay, tap to hide. Okay, now we should confirm, enter the password to create the password. So for example, in my case that will be from 1 to 6. Tap to OK. You should remember your password. I remember. Okay, so you shouldn't log into your account. So now switch photos to albums. Tap to your X hide section. Okay. Oh. Enter your passcode and you'll see here there's two pictures. To remove them from here, select them by the select, click to export and hide. Yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.